You won't believe this skill is real. Meet the human alarm clock. This amazing individual can wake up every morning without an alarm by simply visualizing the time. Remarkably, they've trained their mind to wake up precisely at any designated hour, ensuring they never miss a beat. Interestingly, studies show this unique ability stems from the brain's natural circadian rhythms. Now, here's a challenge for you. Try setting a mental alarm before sleeping and see if you can wake up on time without any gadgets. Can you do this?